Good night. My name is Ana Maria. My research project consists of identifying in the population the degree of knowledge of the promotion of prevention programs in the municipalities of Aldana, Nariño, as well as the coverage of these programs with the sole purpose of improving the adherence of the population to health promotion, action, and prevention programs. Why is the study important? The result of this study is a point of reference both for the S Health Center of Nuestra Señora del Pilar, as well as the benefit plan administrating entities, the municipal health secretary, which lead to achieving an adequate articulation of action that achieve compliance adequate in the promotion and prevention programs, visualizing opportunities for improvement based on the needs observed in the population and be a tool for carrying out such action. Thank you very much.